Built in 2017 and just recently finished, this stunning home has the latest and greatest of everything you could want.
Welcome to the 24th annual Chase International Estates Tour. I'm Susan Lowe, and I am pleased to tour you through this beautiful, brand new mountain modern home.
Just shy of 4,000 square feet with an open and impressive floor plan featuring soaring ceilings with massive beams, walls of wood windows, European hardwood floors flowing throughout, and current contemporary fixtures highlight this magnificent new-built home. A dramatic porcelain tiled entry leads to the great room.
Here we are in this impressive great room with walls of windows framing the lofty pines, peaks of Lake Tahoe. And imagine yourself in here with friends and family enjoying this impressive space,
while adjoining the open dining room and kitchen, all accessing a massive lake view deck. The kitchen boasts a breakfast bar, courtside countertops, a Wolf 6-burner double oven range, 2 dishwashers, 2 Sub-Zero refrigerator freezers, and a massive pantry with large refrigerated wine storage cabinet. The contemporary light fixtures top off the look. The master suite is a true retreat with a floor-to-ceiling concrete fireplace, a luxurious marble master bathroom with a soaking tub, and a customized walk-in closet fit for a king or a queen. Some of the many upgrades include an elevator servicing all floors, radiant heated floors, triple pane windows, foamed walls for soundproofing, full smart home technology, fresh air systems, indoor fire sprinklers, and a composition roof. 2 ensuite guest bedrooms with marble bathrooms and a massive laundry mud room encompass the bottom floor. The roomy finished 2-car garage is accessed over a paver stone driveway. The property is tastefully landscaped with irrigated trees, shrubs, and a large lawn perfect for a round of bocce ball. Conveniently and centrally located near skiing, golf, beaches, entertainment, and restaurants. This home is close to everything you could want or need.
Thank you for joining me on this tour at 35 Mertens Road in Zephyr Cove, Nevada. If you'd like more information, please reach out. Happy to help.